Aloha, my Kaiko fellow adventurers. Welcome to Wayfarer Hawai'i, where we embark on a journey to rediscover the magic of sailing, exploring the bounties of the Hawaiian Islands, and embrace a more sustainable way of life. I'm Captain Joseph. I'll be leading the way. This is not just a restoration project, it's a voyage into the heart of living in harmony with the sea and the land. Join me as we breathe new life into this 1968 Trintella, weaving together the past and the present. So subscribe, join our crew, and let's sail on this extraordinary voyage together. Wayfarer Hawai'i, where adventure meets sustainability. Yes, what's up guys? Back to the vlog. Aloha, my Kaiko. How's it guys? Just got back to the boat and about to unlock the boat, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got done yesterday. I went ahead and filled in some last minute holes with some epoxy, and I cleaned this whole area down, and yeah, making progress. This was uneven and it was all rotten, so I ripped it out and then I just refiberglassed these pieces in. So I'm gonna sand these down today and reseat this hatch. So yeah, other than that, maybe we might be able to knock out some more sanding, get everything all prepped to start varnishing or painting, maybe even do some paint today. So thanks for watching guys, hope you guys are liking the channel. Alright guys, if you're new to the channel, this is my 1968 Trintella that I purchased on the Big Island. I've had it for about a year, and so far it's been a love-hate relationship, but you know, I guess that goes with owning a boat. Alright, welcome to the office. Just went and picked up some things, some brushes for varnish and sandpaper for sanding. Alright, I think I'm getting better on vlogging. Let me know what you guys think. I guess you can gauge it by the likes or the dislikes or the negative comments. I like it all. So this is just wet system epoxy with high density filler. I'm basically taking this tape off and then I'm going to sand it. Alright, got some 60 grit sandpaper, and we'll hook up the sander. Okay, cool, that's all sanded down now. I'm really happy how this came out. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's just the lip that a cover is going to be going over. So I think that's probably pretty solid. Alright, so it's nice and flush now. Alright, so as you can see, I got this all sanded flush. It looks a lot better. I still kind of want to get like a wood marker and kind of try to trace this pattern so it doesn't stand out as much. But all right, a lot of dust later, we got the boat pretty much prepped. This corner filled in really nice, you can see, so we'll just primer that and then paint it. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied. I think I might hit up some more spots and just get I want to focus on this area, but at the same time I want to work on the boat. But sand a little bit more and get some more prep ready. All right, cool, we got everything all prepped for paint.
Just gonna do like a light primer and then a light top coat. Yeah, I got a couple of screws in here just to hold this kind of in place. All right, boat's prepped. Time to put on a light coat of primer. This is what the lazarette kind of interior area looks like, or the, I don't know the name of it, but we got some paint on the, got that all painted, and this is primered. So looking forward to trying to get all this all even, and then throw a top coat on top of it. So I've been just doing some detail sanding on some of the areas that I couldn't really get with the big sander, and yeah, so you can see right here I was able to use the heat gun, and then I could scrape it off. All right, so now that I've got the boat all sanded, I'm gonna go back, and I've got this nice roll of what is this, just a lighter grit sandpaper, 180. I'm gonna go down from the 80 grit sandpaper down to the 180, and then I think that should be good enough to start varnishing. So let's get to work. All right, so honestly, I want to start varnishing right now, and I can't decide if I want to varnish or paint. We flip a penny. Heads, varnish, tails, paint. Oh, where'd it go? Heads. I guess it's varnish. This is honestly a little bit thicker than I want, so I think I'm gonna thin it out just a little bit more. So I used tape last time I did the varnish job on this, and I didn't thin it out. So this time I'm gonna not use tape, and I'm gonna thin out the varnish. So let's go ahead and start with this area right here. I'm just gonna show you guys my technique. So I'm just basically gonna follow the grain. Start from the corner, just like that. What's up, Dean?
Hey, buddy.
Hang on, dude. I can't hear you. Hang on. Joe.
In the rain, nonetheless.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's just little sprinkles. Wow, shout out to Dean. He gave me this Ola Brewing Co. beer. This is not sponsored, but vanilla porter. Tastes really good. All right, we're like 50% into the project, maybe 70%, and I'll just show you guys kind of what we've done so far. What do you guys think? Not bad, yeah. Third coat on that. I'm still kind of getting used to this whole YouTube, Instagram, social media thing, but yeah, I'm liking it. But from Captain Joe, I'm gonna sign off here, and I'll catch you folks later.